Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Products Square Online. We are uploading home and kitchen related products frequently. In this video you will find manual frozen meat slicer, Befen upgraded stainless steel meat cutter, beef mutton roll food slicer, slicing machine for home cooking of hotpot, shabu Korean barbecue. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: brand Befen, material high carbon stainless steel, color silver, product care instructions, hand wash blade, material high carbon steel, item weight 5.84 pounds, blade length 8 inches, blade shape round, operation mode manual. This Befen Frozen Food Slicer removes one of the maximum time ingesting jobs in meals prep. It facilitates to slice frozen meat, along with frozen pork, lamb, chicken, ham and fish into uniformed skinny slices for exceptional cuisines such as shabu, hotpot, stir-fry, Korean barbecue, sukiyaki, pizza topping, sandwiches or pork jerky for snack, without suffering with a butcher knife. Save money on buying pre-sliced food. If you frequently purchase pre-sliced meats on the supermarket, with this meat slicer you may purchase, for example, a bit of pork or lamb, then placed it inside the freezer in a single day earlier than cutting into skinny slices. It really works out approximately half of the cost, evaluating to pre-cut, and you'll keep numerous cash over a year, likely even sufficient to pay for their machine. Upgraded given that overdue 2019. Where the usage of 1.5 mm thick chrome steel board to craft this product, 2 instances thicker than different comparable slicer at